Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a rule surface is discussed here, and rule surface is very important, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. And this lecture 9 is explain all these points deeply and clearly a rule surface. And this is a rule surface is very useful and useful. Okay, let's start here. This surface rule surface is learn here. At first going to this part, and some setting is very important, and going to this option, and option is going to this image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first drawing any body any sketch, and okay, and this is a rule surface is very important this lecture. At first drawing any, okay, this use at first use a front plane and draw a, this is a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is a, okay, this is a draw here this okay, and this is a sketch edit here, and okay, this is a, okay, and at first select a plane, and plane is selected, and this point is a selected, and click OK. And this is a sketch and normal, and again this 3-point arc is selected, and draw this okay, and drawing this okay, and select this midpoint, and press a control button and select this and use a pierce. Okay, and exit. This plane is hide, okay, and isometric, okay, and going to surface modeling, and going to this swept surface, and this is a, this profile is selected, and going to this path or drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this body, then use a rule surface, and this use a colorful, and colorful is this, click okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and this body is a drawing here at first, and this apply a rule surface, and rule surface is a click here, and this is a 5 type of rule surface, and first is a tangent to surface, and second is normal to surface, and taper to vector, and perpendicular to vector, and sweep. All 5 type of rule surface is discussed here, and 5 type is very important lecture. Okay, this body is a drawing here at first, and then all one by one all process, and all this rule surface is a learn here. At first select a tangent to surface, then select here all edge, and all edge is a expand here. Okay, this is a expand here. Okay, and also use a trim and knit. Okay, and some in this is a direction, and this use a increase, but this is a 20 mm is not okay, 10 mm is perfect, and click OK, and this is a expand here easily and clearly, and also use this edit here, and this use trim and knit uncheck, and then this increase the distance. Okay, but more distance is not better looking here, and also this. Okay, and very nice looking here. Also this is edit here. Okay, and this is okay, and this is a next is normal to surface is okay. This is a direction is change here. Okay, and this use a 10 and 20 millimeter, and distance is increase here, and this is a okay trim. Okay, and check here, but distance is not more, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this body is a looking perfect, and also this edit this body, and this use a trim and knit, and click OK, and this is a OK, and also this edit here, and next is a use here this taper to vector, and direction is also inside, and then this is a okay, this is a direction is inside, then drawing this shape this body. This is a perfect looking here, but this is a edit, and direction is a change here. Okay, and also taper to vector is this, but any plane is select here, and then this use any plane and select this, and plane is this use top plane, and also select this is a front plane is not mentioned here, and also right plane is not okay, but top plane is a perfect. Select top plane is a perfect, and this angle is also change here. This is a 30 degree is also this, and also this is a increase here. Okay, this, and direction is a reverse direction, and direction is a change here, and this is use a okay 45 degree this. Okay, and this use this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a some look like this shape. Okay, and next this edit here, and also use a perpendicular to vector, and a perpendicular to vector is this angle is 90 degree, all is same, and select this, but this is a degree is not mentioned here, angle is not mentioned here, because this is a 90 degree is perfect. Okay, and this is a distance is increase, and click OK. Okay, and also this use this, and this perpendicular to vector, and also plane is change here. This is right plane. Okay, perfect, and this is a front plane is also perfect. Okay, all plane is a mention here, and click OK. This is a perfect looking here. Okay, and also this is edit here, and last is this sweep, and sweep is also mentioned here. This front plane is not used here, this only a top plane, and top plane is a perfect looking here, and this is a height is also increase and decrease, but more distance is not perfect looking here, and this use only a top plane, and click OK, and this is look like this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and select a tangent to this body. Okay, and click OK. okay, this is a tangent to this. Okay, tangent to this is a trim and uncheck here, and then look like this. 10 is perfect, and the okay, and normal. Okay, and okay, 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 guys, rule surface is very important, and this is a, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and okay guys, thank you.